Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about doubly linked list pop functionality. In the previous video, I have already talked about the push functionality. If you want to check the video, I'll be put the link on the description box. In this video, I'll be talking about the pop functionality. So pop means the deletion of the last node. You can say the tail node, right? So if this is my doubly linked list, then if I do a pop operation into this list, then you can see that this 3 element got removed. Now, what can be the logic? So the logic is, the moment I apply the pop functionality, this will get removed. I mean the tail get removed, right? Then the previous node of the tail node, that will become my tail. Okay. So the logic is very simple. So the last node, if the last node get deleted, I mean if the tail node get deleted, then the previous node of the tail node will become my tail. So this way pop functionality work. This is also a very short logic. Okay, let's see. So this dot tail dot prev, as we know, in the doubly linked list, we already storing the address of the previous node. So in tail, I have the, like, tail means val 3, prev is this 2 1, this 2 node. Previous of 3 is this 2 1, right? So from there we already have the address of the 2 node. So this dot tail dot prev equals to this dot tail. Only this line is enough. And 2 more is now before that we will be storing the tail, because we have to remove that also. Sorry, temp equals to this dot tail, right? Now temp dot next will be null, and temp dot brief will also be null. This is mandatory, we have to do it. Okay, and apart from that, this one line, this dot tail dot brief equals to this dot tail, and this dot tail now becomes my this 2 node. So val 2, then the next would be null, and previous would be, it will contain the address of 1. So let's code this. Very easy logic. Now let's check into that code base, how this pop method work. So pop so at first I'll be storing the tail method into the temp variable. Temp equals to this dot tail, right? Then what we will do, temp, or sorry, this dot tail now becomes this dot tail dot previous node of the tail, because I'm going to remove the tail node, right? So the previous node of the tail node is my tail now, right? Now this dot tail dot next equals to null, as well as I have the temp method, or you can see the temp dot next equals to null, the same thing. Now temp dot prev equals to also null, and at the ending will be decrement the length by 1. Let's see whether this code will work or not. So now tll dot pop. Okay, now let's see how this works. Okay, so you see now, if I remove this pop line, then you see we have a 3 node, that is 1, 54 and 45. Now the moment I remove this, I'm using this pop 1, then you see the changes in the nodes. You see now I have only the tail is 54 and only 1 node is left, which is my head, this one, and the length becomes 2. So this way pop method work. So in this video, I'll be only talking about the pop method. In the next video, I'll be coming maybe with shift or unshift. So this video till this only. Thank you guys.